Naiwan na nga sa umisan ka. Hi vlog.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Now on our way to ano pangalan ng ano natin? Villa? Basta tanong nyo na lang kay Jow, hanapin nyo sa Facebook Freelancing Quezonyo, hindi ko maimik.
Villa Adelanya.
Adelanya, Adelaida? Adelana. Villa Adelana.
Atilana.
At ano ba talaga? Ayan, Atilana. Okay. Oh, so cute.
Ang dami nakadress.
Nilalaro ko niya yung ano.
So this is Wabi at night. Ito yung isa pa sa popular na pinag-i-stayan dito sa Maniwaya. There are a lot of people here and we are here just enjoying the beach and the signal because dito lang may signal on tier. This is like perfect if you want to go to a place and do the art of doing nothing.
Two hours later.
Birthday boy! Birthday boy!
Si Paul nananayin kanina nung bago siya pumunta dito.
Barbero. Sa ulam.
Anong klaseng ulam ka?
Asim, na isda. Kasi mahilig ako sa maasim.
Hindi nasasawa.
Oo, kasi pag tunikman mo yun, maalit muna bago maasim.
Ay!
Ipakita mo yung pangalan mo!
Madam!
Ang niche ko ay collections representative.
Ay! Ay, nakukolekta eh.
Hindi naman sa akin yun.
Oo.
File coordinator, estimating.
Ayun. O kung ikaw ay ulam.
Sisig siguro.
Ano
Sisig.
Bakit?
Maraming taba.
Ah! Ito.
William. Labor. Tagapala.
Piga-pigo.
Kung ulam, ano masarap na ulam? Ginataan, laing.
Ay, laing.
Parang may gata.
Hindi nakakasawa, no?
Hindi nakakasawa.
Hindi nakakasawa.
Masarap sa bahaw.
Ay, masarap sa bahaw.
Boneng, sarap sa bahaw.
Ah.
Boneng, JT.
Wala pa.
Pakilala ulit. JT, sabi mo nun. Mayayain siya nun eh.
Ano ang sagot mo nun?
Ako si PJ.
JP.
JP.
Bago na.
Ako si JP. Isang website developer. Kung ako'y ulam, ako isang nilagang okra.
Bakit? Na iba na.
Hindi, yun na.
Ay, hindi pa. Nakakalaway.
Ay, babutog.
Kasi inaayawan ng iba, pero naglalaway ang iba.
Okay, tama na.
Jonah. Ay, medyo husky no?
Anong ginagawa ko? Operations manager po sa isang ESL company. At kung ulam ako, yun pa din, hardinera pa din ako, all in one. Lahat ng hinahanap mo. Dito na.
Ay!
Patingin.
Next!
Walang ano yung sa akin. Madam? Ay, madam. Alam, Claudia, ano ang ginagawa ko? Copywriter.
Two-time champion.
Yes, I am the defending champion. High floor. Kasi gigil sa kanya. I am the defending champion. See you on March 8.
Ay!
Ulam, ganun pa rin. Lumpiang Shanghai.
Dahil
madaling baunin, kalad-karing.
Ay! Okay.
Hi, ako si Jill. Admin executive. Kung ulam ako, syempre sisig din. Madalas in-order pero hindi inuuwi.
Ay!
Kasi ubos na!
Katahimikan, please.
Hindi, wait lang. Ako muna. Bago yung huli. Pang finale ang hayop na yan eh. Hi, ako si Mary, Operations Management, GTM. Bahala na kayo. Kung ako ay ulam sinigang dahil ako ang paborito ng aking asawa. Okay, game. Eto, be. May asim pa. Eto, ayan.
Hi, I am Jal, Senior Restoration Estimator. If I am an ulam, I am bulalo. Bulalo. Dahil may utak kaso madalas sabaw.
Oh, wait. My slippers.
The next.
We are okay. We are alive and well. We will survive. If anybody finds this video, we're okay. like that, we are back home. It's Monday. And this morning, we're running some errands plus a little bit of tambay. Actually, more on Watson's. Like, Watson's... ano pa ba? Wala akong maalala ng iba. Also, I just want to show off my tan face. Tan skin. Happy hearts. Love it. Babalik kami doon. Bumagsak na yung nasa kisame namin. Right. Ma? Hi, sir. Where are you? Where? First stop, Pacific Mall Coffee. That's cute. Yeah, we're here. Isang Spanish latte ice, large. So that is a success. Next, habang inintay yung coffee. Ganda talaga nito. So cute. Watson's. And that is a success. Balikan lang namin yung coffee and then pupunta na kami kina Anying.
Eventually.
So, I am on shift. I am working on automation right now. And I'm just about to move on to the next task. But my eyes are itchy. And because of that, I tried using this and it's so good. Like, if you guys haven't used this before, Ben introduced this to me back in Baguio. It's really effective. Also, Papski is watching. Oh, NCIS na? Papski is watching NCIS. He's on shift too. Yun lang, share ko lang ang sikreto ng mga champions. Good morning, Philippines. Mabuhay. Bamboo! Di ko alam, so focused, so inspired. Kung ano man yan, we will get things done. And so, now, let's have coffee.
Hindi ako prepared.
Oh, wow. Good morning, Mom. How are you? Good morning, Sor. How are you? How are you? How are you? Ba't siya ka nakain, baby?
It's nothing like that. But tell me, what is it like? I don't want to hurt you.
Yes, I really think that that's something that we can work on. If we can, let's circle back to this by March. Past 11:30 and we're only able to do 5,878 steps. Pero okay yan. At least we did something today. Now it's time to take a bath. Good morning. Natutulog pa si Papski, so hindi pa tayo pwede magingay. So I have a lot of things to do, but I have so little time. And so because of that, nakaset yung relo ko na every 15 minutes mag-change ako ng task. At least I get something done, 1% done sa mga kailangan kong gawin. And at the same time, I also have meetings at around 7:30. So technically, I only have about maybe an hour and a half at hindi pa ako nagkakape.
2 hours later.
Ang sabi ko, spot cleaning lang. Ang ending, nalinis ko na yung harapan, nalinis ko na yung kwarto, nalinis ko na yung kama, nalinis ko na yung banyo, pati yung panglinis, nalinis ko. Like, ako lang ba? We're here at Pacific Mall. Because dito lumipat yung, ano yung tawag doon? Mercato. And I wanna buy Robin. So we're gonna look for tatay. And we're gonna check out din yung bagong pwesto nila. Ay, I can see them na. They're there. There, oh, you see? We're also gonna start our exercise because this is considered outdoor walk. Bago na yung name niya, Foodie Street Hub na. Oh, sarap may atay. Parang mas maraming stalls ngayon, no? O cramped lang dun sa kabila. Oh, that looks delicious. Marami pa rin shawarma. Oh, kape, Hali Cafe. Guys, masarap dyan sa Hali Cafe. We are still on a mission to find Kuya Proben. Oo nga. Hello, Kuya. Magkano po dito? 6 po, ma'am. 6. 10 nga po. So, I found yung bilihan ng Dostres, which is there. And then, I found my coffee. Ito ako nabiling kape madalas. So, hanggang dun sa dulo. And here, andito sila sa Pacific Mall. But, hindi ko makita si Kuya Proben, so that's not a success. Next stop is, sa Memorial, kasi meron doon nagbebenta ng Proben. Baby, ang ganda ng spelling ng baby niya. Yes. Ako din, anong marirecommend yung
Sa'yo na, madam, yung isa.
Asa?
Sa'yo talaga isa. Sarap dumpling nila, madam.
Dalawa. We are buying Auntie babies ramen. Order nga din po ng dumpling, please. Uy! Sarap ng bukcho.
Kailang swimming pool?
Mami, spicy? Chicken po, tsaka. Para panas niya matikman.
Yes. So, we are here at the gate ng village namin, picking up PR kits na pinadala. And I didn't realize na malaki pala siya. Akala ko, yung mga sanay tayo mga packages na maliit. Ang laki niya, isang malaking box siya dahil.
Hindi, bubuhat ko nga eh.
Si Papa tatawagin ko.